Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it. Before we begin, you will need to switch to a business account on TikTok. Here, make sure that your account is a business. This link feature is only available for business profile. Once you're in the app, go to your profile section, then tap edit on your profile here. Now scroll down and you will see an option called link. Click on it and select website. Here you will enter the URL you want to display. This can be your website, a store or a link tree. After entering URL, tap save here and then you can see the URL is being displayed in my TikTok bio. If you want to share multiple links, use a tool like Linktree or Beacons and just paste that single link into your TikTok bio. To recap, first of all, switch to a business account, edit your profile, and paste your website link under the website section. And that's how to add a link to your TikTok bio. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.